There's a problem.
You just spoke to your manager?
Yeah, I need to go to one look.
I'm going to back in.
So I'm standing, standing still, and I'm hoping somebody know I'll remember that it's left me. Just know that I tried. I couldn't learn to love. There's a runaway train, and I might be lost, but I know this time. Gonna run into the headlights. Can't be back, I want last chance, yeah, I see through all of the sad songs. Next thing I know, you didn't make them true. 'Cause it sounded better to you. I can already see it. And now it's on up to me. And I gotta go, no one's ever been so close. There's a runaway train, and I'm crazy to jump on. There is a ticket, you can't go wrong. This fast rate, I'm moving on. Oh, there's a runaway train, and I might be lost, but I know this time. Gonna run into the headlights. Can't hold me back, I'm gonna take this one last chance. Yeah, there's a runaway train.
Thank you so much. I want to say thanks to everyone for coming. Firstly, but another thing that I have to say, that I've said at all the other ones, is that obviously I can't thank you enough for all the support in 2012 and all that. Basically, I didn't really have like a New Year's resolution, but my thing in my thing in 2013 is to get a record deal, obviously, which sounds amazing and everything, but it's if you can do it. And at the moment, with like money the way it is, no record companies have the money to just spend on artists and kind of hire artists and stuff like that. So they kind of want you to do sort of half the work yourself. And the only bit that I can do myself is obviously the singing, the writing, and all that, and my fan base. But I like really need you all to help me out with that. So you kind of got to share it around, spread the word on that. Because you guys are like gold dust to me, and I love you all to pieces for supporting me. So please help me out in 2013. Thank you so much for coming.
I will.
Love you for coming.
I love you, Sam.